Okay, confession time. 2 weeks ago, I swore Nano Banana was unbeatable. Like, this is the peak of humanity. Shut it down. We've done it. But then Seedream 4.0 came out, and now I feel like that guy who bought the newest iPhone a week before the next one dropped. If you've been searching for an AI that can actually keep up with your imagination, you've just found it. Forget waiting forever for blurry images. Forget the nightmare of faces with extra fingers, and forget wasting hours fixing details by hand. Seedream 4.0 delivers hyper-realistic images in seconds, edits selfies like a professional, and even keeps your creations consistent across multiple generations. This powerhouse comes from ByteDance. Yes, it's the team behind TikTok, and it's designed to shake up the entire AI space. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Seedream step by step, push it to its limits, compare it with models like Nano Banana and ChatGPT-4, and of course, walk you through how you can try it for yourself. Before we get into how to use it, I need to tell you the sad truth that it's not free. Unlike Nano Banana, which lets you generate images without paying, Seedream 4.0 requires credits or a subscription, and you won't even get a free trial if you go straight to the official site. But wait, there are still many legit ways to try it without spending money. I'll walk you through 3 simplest ways to get free access. The first option is Dreamina by CapCut, which is owned by ByteDance. Previously, the English version only offered the Image 3.1 model, but it has now been updated to include Seedream 4.0 as well. Another option is to install Seedream 4.0 directly on your computer, provided that your device has the right specifications. This method can be very convenient because you won't need to rely on a slow online service. Finally, the best and easiest way to use Seedream 4.0 for free is through runcomfy.com. I've dropped the link in the description below. And if you sign up using that link, you'll get some free credits right away. Once you've signed up, you'll land on the home page. From there, you'll see the Playground button in the top bar. Click on it. For Seedream 4.0 specifically, you'll need to set up a project. Go to the Image tab. Click it, and you'll see a list of models available, and select Seedream 4.0. Now you're ready to roll. To show you how it works, I uploaded one of my own photos and tried editing it directly inside Seedream 4.0. In this case, I'll use 2 reference images. The first image will be Mulan, and there's Voldemort for the second image. And I also added a rough pose sketch. For the prompt, I write in this: make the characters do the pose according to the pose drawing. They are taking photos in front of the Eiffel Tower background. I also put the same prompt and the same reference images in Nano Banana and GPT-5 too. The generation time of these 3 is kinda unexpected. Well, I will reveal all of them later. Okay, the generating process is done. First, coming with the result of Seedream, I like the detail of it. Like you could see it was more realistic than the one of Nano Banana somehow. I feel like it. And the posing is better too. They really hugged each other, not just by touching others' shoulder. But overall, Nano Banana still did better because of the text under it. Very clear and easy to see. So yeah, I still consider Nano Banana is better at generating images with text and people. But a little spoiler here. In all the cases after, Seedream 4.0 is totally outstanding. By the way, did I forget something? Oh, the ChatGPT one. Well, the unexpected part was that ChatGPT could not render the image due to copyright strike. So yeah, ChatGPT will earn no point for this. Move to the next case. Next up, I'm going to test Seedream 4.0 to see whether it's good at editing images or not. I'll try by requiring it to turn this picture into the nighttime. For the prompt, I just simply type in, "Turn into nighttime." Okay, so I asked 3 different AIs to turn this sunny photo into a nighttime scene. Think of it like a cooking competition. Same ingredients, but very different dishes. And let's just say 2 of them probably got kicked out of the kitchen. Nano Banana and ChatGPT are completely cooked. First up, Seedream 4.0. It flipped the scene to nighttime but still kept every single detail from the original shot. If you pause the video, you'll see it's almost identical to the original photo. The only changes are the sky going dark and the lights turning on. That's it. No missing details, just a perfect day-to-night switch. Now, Nano Banana tried, and I'll give it credit, it does look somewhat realistic. But the sky isn't nearly dark enough to pass as true nighttime, and it completely messed up the details on the billboard. Plus, for some reason, all the street lights are turned off. Like, who turns the lights off at night? And then there's ChatGPT's attempt. Let's just say it looks less like a nighttime photo and more like a doodle someone posted on DeviantArt in 2010. Not terrible, but definitely not winning this contest. So now I flipped the script. I turned a nighttime photo into a daytime one. But wait, I wasn't done. I decided to crank up the chaos and dropped a rainbow in the background. Yup, buckle up, I'm uploading the reference photo. All of these pictures look the same to me. All of them are okay, but still make some small mistakes, like the streetlight at daytime, or the rainbow looks pretty fake. A tie here. All right, the next step is object replacement. For this test, I've got a picture with a group of characters. What I want to do is switch up the gender of the girl in the middle and also swap the haircut of the 2 guys. Now tell me, isn't it wild how AI has basically become the world's cheapest barber and plastic surgeon at the same time? So let's see if Seedream 4.0 can actually pull this off without turning them into, cursed Pinterest fails. I'll tell all 3 AIs to swap the haircuts of the 2 guys and turn the girl into a man. There's the result. Honestly, it's kind of tragic. None of these AIs could fully follow my prompt. All of them successfully changed the gender of the girl. Nano Banana is pretty solid at first. It actually nailed the gender swap and haircut. But then it decided to randomly remodel the pink-haired guy's face. Like, thanks, but nobody asked for duplicating the black-haired guy. Seedream 4.0 deserves a shout-out too. It did manage to turn the girl into a guy, which is impressive. But instead of just giving the 2 characters a haircut, it went full Dr. Frankenstein and swapped their entire heads. At least it kept their facial expressions the same, so I'll count that as a small win. And then there's ChatGPT. It's all messed up. I can't realize who is who anymore. In total, there's a mixed result here. I'll let you be the judge in the comment down below. Seedream 4.0 isn't just an image editor. It's also a powerful image generator. With just a simple text prompt, it can create brand new images from scratch. I'm putting it up against Google's Imagen 4, which is a much stronger competitor in this category. And the prompt we're testing them with is a diagram showing the water cycle. Oh God, you could see the clear winner here. That's why I choose Imagen 4 to do the prompt instead of Nano Banana, which is pretty suck at generating image. And seriously, who would choose the right one over the left? All right, so after all these tests, here's the bottom line. Every AI has its quirks. Nano Banana is good at keeping things realistic, but sometimes takes too many creative liberties. ChatGPT, Well, let's just say it needs a little more time in the gym before it can compete in this league. Despite a few hiccups here and there, Seedream 4.0 hands down the strongest contender right now. Whether for editing or generating, it really pushes the limits of what AI image tools can do. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Go try it yourself. Remember, I've left the link in the description for you. If you found this breakdown useful, or at least got a laugh at the AI fails, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss future deep dives. I've got more wild AI experiments coming up, and trust me, you don't want to miss them.